Hi students.
Hi.
It is my hope that all of you know me well. Wow! I can see new face among us. Let me introduce to the newcomer. My name is Salha Salum. I am also a student at the Institute Worldwide College. I am pursuing certificate course in hospitality. My intention is to be a waitress in a fine dining restaurant. In my speech today, I'm going to talk about the preparation of the restaurant before service. It is true, a well-organized restaurant impresses guests of the arrival and help waiting staff to offer the service efficiently. Food and beverage service should ensure that tables are set up with clean tableware, sideboard, necessary items required during the service, so as to prevent any confusion and stress during the service. All the activities carried out before the arrival of guests in the restaurant can be grouped into two: mise en scene and mise en place. Mise en scene involve all activities related to keeping the area clean, presentable and comfortable for the guests. Check the function of the following: music, lighting, and temperature. Music. The audio system must be checked to ensure that it is in good order before operation. Lighting. It is important to keep the area well ventilated by replacing the fuse bulb, opening curtains and windows. Temperature. Keeping the dining at the correct temperature to ensure the comfort of guests. The ideal temperature is 18 centigrade. Mise en place. Mise en place refers to keeping everything ready for service or putting things on its place. The process of mise en place involves tasks such as adjusting lighting, arranging furniture, setting table, and even ensuring the appropriate music is playing. Thank you for listening me very carefully.
Institute Worldwide ni chuo kinachojipambanua kwa ufundishaji wa kozi za hotel management, food and beverage service, hotel housekeeping, food production, front office operation. Institute Worldwide ni chuo kinachoongoza kuwa na idadi kubwa ya wahitimu wanaofanya kazi katika hoteli na migahawa yenye hadhi ya juu kimataifa, 5 stars. Usiwe na wasiwasi, kwani mwanafunzi atapata ushirikiano mzuri awapo darasani. Mwanafunzi atapelekwa hotelini katika hoteli bora na kwa wakati. Na kama haitoshi, baada ya mafunzo ya nadharia na vitendo, mwanafunzi atapewa connection za ajira ndani na nje ya Dar es Salaam. Kwa nini uchague Institute Worldwide? Mkufunzi wa chuo ndugu Paulo Bagenyeka ni mbobezi wa masuala ya hoteli. CV yake inasomeka miaka 15 ya kufanya kazi katika hoteli mbalimbali katika idara zote na katika nyadhifa mbalimbali. Karibu sana Institute Worldwide. Tunapatikana Msasani Mwai Kibaki Road, jirani ya ubalozi wa Marekani. Lakini pia tupo Bagamoyo Road, Bunju A kwa Baharia. Wasiliana nasi kwa simu namba 0716932570 au 0764089676. Facebook Institute Worldwide College. Email instituteworldwide2006@gmail.com. Wote mnakaribishwa. Institute Worldwide, learn for life.